Okay, welcome back to Sarah and Danielle show. And that was Danielle, but okay, what we're gonna do really quick is we're gonna have a contest, and you guys have to vote to see which one of our funniest talents, which we're only gonna do one, is the funniest. Okay. So here's mine. I'm gonna put this straw under my armpit and blow in it. I'm gonna make fart noises. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now it's Danielle's turn.
My camera's going crazy.
Just keep on hitting it. Okay.
I am going to do something that only me and Pashmina know how to do.
Okay. Now these are our funniest talents. And so go online now and vote. See ya.
Tell us and comment.